I'm Hillary. I'm one of the owners here at Vignette, and we are sitting on the patio. We opened May 7th. We are very busy. It's been surreal. I'm surprised every night that I walk through and the dining room is totally full. I grew up down the street, and it's been so amazing to see this neighborhood just kind of change, and we get to be a part of that change and get to be like a cool spot in this neighborhood. We went with kind of English pub, but also make it feel like your friend's parents' house that you grew up in, that you feel comfortable in. We chose Vignette as like a meeting of a collection of stories all together. All the dishes are pulled from travels that we all had, dishes that family made that we loved and found inspiration from. So yeah, the name came from that. I go home and I dream about the chicken liver pate. My business partner, Nick, has been developing the recipe for 2 years. I think it is out of this world good. Another dish that I think is phenomenal is the charred cabbage. And that thing hits a table, and I love watching everyone take their phones out and take a photo of it. We call ourselves California Bistro, super driven by seasonality, what we can find at the market. California cuisine, especially LA cuisine, is if you drive into a strip mall and there's an Ethiopian place, a Thai place, a Mexican place, and it's this big kind of collection of cultures. So we wanted to represent that. Nick is our sommelier. We tend to stay in the old world area because all of our wines are very food friendly. That is also one of my favorite things to do at a table. Someone's I hate Chardonnay, and I bring them an amazing white Burgundy that they've never had before, and they're this is the best wine ever. They buy a bottle on the way out. My biggest thing in restaurants is the hospitality side. Obviously, I want people to think this was one of the best meals I've had in LA, but I want them to feel really taken care of. We had a couple come in last week, and it was they just had a baby, and it was their first night out after the baby. And they walked away and they were this was so special. You made the night special. And I want people to feel just taken care of, not stuffy and uncomfortable, but just they really were here. They got to experience everything and just, yeah, taken care of.